Hey, Tommy, what do you want? What do you want? This is my cat, Tommy. Hmm. Hey, cutie. What are you doing? He doesn't know what this is. What's that? Is that a video camera? Huh? Anyways. Tommy, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Well, usually he's a demon, but he's very nice right now because I just took him out of his cage. Probably should put him back in there because he's going to start getting really mean very soon. Still a kitten. He's hyper all the time. Damn you. Anyway. Tommy, say bye to the cat. Or to the... Shit. Say goodbye to the camera. Say bye to the camera. See the camera?